I cannot accomplish anything in my life. I can't meet up any expectation. Look at my friends. They are all doing very fine. But for me, nothing to show for it.
John, my friend, I've told you these times in that number to take it easy with yourself. My brother, calm down. With time, everything will set. Calm down.
You need to, to calm down. I don't blame you. It is me that have come to tell you my condition. So you want to laugh at me now. I don't know what is cooling down and calming down. I'm just explaining reality to you.
You won't understand.
Understand what?
You see, the reason why you are seated here is because you think that your father did not leave any legacy for you. The reason why you are going through these hard times is because there was not this proposed legacy or inheritance to feel your dad left for you. You lie, my brother. You are wrong.
What do you mean?
Listen, let me tell you. Some of us were not even opportuned to see our fathers. Like myself, my father died the day I was born. Our father died. I was not even opportuned to see him. As I'm talking to you, I do not know, I can't explain how my father lives. And this is, I'm telling you, is also, it's not just peculiar with me alone. There are several other persons. You see all this you're saying? By the special grace of God, we had to struggle. Some of us had to go through from one menial job to another job, from one struggling to another struggle, to until God, everything settled. My brother, if you tend to make progress, if you want to succeed, if it is your desire to make ends meet, you need to stand up and pick your destinies. It is in your hands. If you decide to sit and apportion blames and complain all day long, you will have no result gotten out of it. Wake up, my friend. Pray to God, believe in God, and then work it out. And with time, everything will settle. And I assure you that with these I am persuaded that everything will surely settle.
You mean for me to fulfill expectation in life and to achieve purpose is in my hands?
Yes, it is in your hands.
No.
It's in your hands. If you decide to remain like this, it will work out for you. But if you will stand up one day and say no to all of this and then put your faith into work, it will surely work.
Life is more than just a dream, filled with unexpected twists. In the journey of this life, guide your feet if you must stand. Life has so much surprises. Least expected, more you get. Storms of life to test your strength, not by power nor by might, There is one critical thing you